it can be tricky to find books at your child's specific reading level at home. So, one tool that I found that I really like is the Scholastic Book Wizard. And let me show you how it works. So you go to bookwizard.scholastic.com and you can either look up a specific book or author or even the ISBN number and figure out what level it is. But if you want to get ideas of what books you can give your child to read that would be at their specific level, you can go to this button here, Get Recommendations. And then you can search by grade level, but I'm specifically wanting to get into finding books at their specific reading level because that might be different than their actual grade. And when you come here, you can choose which type of measure your child's teacher uses at school. Lexile, Accelerated Reader, DRA, or Guided Reading. So for the purpose of this, let's pick Lexile. I know a lot of schools use that. And then you can actually put in their Lexile range here. So your teacher, check with your child's teacher. They should give you a range and you just type it in here. You can choose whether you want fiction or nonfiction. So let's say maybe fiction. And then this part is really cool because it lets your child choose specifically what they're interested in. And this is a really good way to motivate your child to read, reading about things that they enjoy reading or that they choose and want to read. One of the biggest motivators. So let's say animals. A lot of kids love to read about animals. And lastly, a genre. I guess I put nonfiction in, but let's put informational and view results. So this will give you all the books that are at your child's specific grade level. And you can see here, this is really cool. It's showing the Lexile level, the DRA level, all the different levels, the actual grade level here too as well. So it just gives you an idea. You can find books on here and then go look them up at your library if you don't want to buy them. Or like I said, go back and search a specific book that your child wants to read at home and see if it's kind of in their range for reading. It's really important to know your child's instructional reading level. That's where your child's teacher will work with them. And kind of it's the level where they need a little bit of help to push them through and they need more instruction there. Their independent level is where they should be reading at home by themselves. So this is a level where they should be very independent, get most of the words right. It's a place to build their confidence and vocabulary and fluency. Books that are too hard, those can be really hard on kids. They can make them kind of learn to really not enjoy reading. It can build up frustration and distress. So be careful with letting your child choose books at their frustration level at home. It doesn't mean it's off limits. Just maybe sit down and read the book with them and include them in conversation. And also maybe point out words that you know that they can sound out or that are sight words that look familiar and get them involved in the process. But good luck. I hope you enjoy this tool. I hope it's helpful. Happy reading.